Hi, this is Vijay Lakshmi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, KCS Kasinagar College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about the hardware and software requirement for Internet. Hardware requirements to connect to the Internet, any one of the following is mandatory. Modem is used to connect Internet through telephone connection. NIC, Network Interface Card. Facility is the most important hardware required to connect Internet. For example, the laptop can be connected Internet through the wired or wireless. Dongle is used to connect the Internet using cellular network. Wi-Fi router or hotspot is used to connect Internet using wireless network. Electronic device which supports cellular networks and internet connectivity such as dial-up connection, ISDN, DSL, cable TV, wired and wireless network. Next one is software requirement. The operating system should support TCP, Transfer Control Protocol or IP Internet Protocol to access the Internet. Next one is SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. This protocol is used to receive and send mail. FTP, File Transfer Protocol. This protocol is used to upload or download files from the hosting. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. This protocol convert the HTML coding into the web page. And HTTPS, Hypertext Transfer Protocol secured. It provides the security for the HTML page. Next one is browser and other internet client access to the web applications such as Outlook, Gmail, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter and etc. Next, the types of internet connections. We need any one of the internet connection to access the internet. The different types of internet connections are dial-up connection, integrated service digital network, digital subscriber line, cable TV internet connection, that is set-top box, satellite internet connection and wireless internet connection. Dial-up connection. A dial-up connection is established when two or more data communication devices uses a public switched telephone network, that is PSTN, to connect to an internet service provider from computers. Many remote location depends on internet dial-up connections because broadband and cables are rare in remote areas with low population. Internet service provider often provide dial-up connections, a feasible alternative for budget conscious subscriber. ISDN, Integrated Service Digital Network. It established a connection using the phone lines which carries digital signal instead of analog signal. It is a set of communication standards for simultaneous digital transmission of data, voice, video and other services over the traditional circuit of the public switch telephone networks. There are two techniques to deliver ISDN service such as basic rate interface and primary rate interface. Here we are using ISDN adapter to transfer the data from one system to the another system through internet. Digital subscriber line. It is a high-speed internet service for homes and business. It provides internet through cables and other forms of broadband. DSL provide high-speed networking over ordinary telephone lines using broadband modem technology. The technology behind DSL enables internet and telephone service to work over the same phone line without requiring the customers to disconnect either their voice or internet connections. Cable TV internet connection, that is set-top box. The cable TV network can be used for connecting a computer or a local network to the internet directly with DSL technology. This type of network is classified as HFC, hybrid fiber coaxial, as it uses both fiber optics and coaxial cables. The connection between the cable TV company to the distribution point is made using fiber optics with distance up to 25 miles, that is 40 kilometers. Each optical node provides services between 500 to 2000 clients at a time. Satellite internet connection. Satellite internet access provides through satellite communication for domestic and enterprise usage. The facility of modern consumer grade satellite internet service is typically provided to individual users through geostationary satellites. It provides fairly high data speed along with the latest satellites using Ga band to attain downstream data speed up to 50 Mbps internet speed. Wireless internet connection. It is a technology for wireless local area network with device based on IEEE 80.11 standards. Devices that can use Wi-Fi technologies include personal computers, video games, console, phones and tablets, digital cameras, smart TVs, digital audio player and modern printers. Wi-Fi compatible devices can connect to the internet via VLN, that is wireless local area network, and a wireless access point. Such an access point has a range of about 20 meters, that is 66 feet indoor, and a greater range of outdoor. Hotspot coverage can be as small as single room with walls that blocks radio waves, or as large as many square kilometer, achieved by using multiple overlapping access points. I hope you understand the concept. As per our discussion, to connect to the internet, we need any one of the hardware requirement and software, that is protocols, and any one of the internet connection to connect to the internet. Thanks for watching this video. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.